In this video, I will show you how to remove your device backup from Google One. To begin, open the Google One app on your mobile phone. Once inside the app, scroll down until you find the backup option and tap on it. Here, you will be able to view all of your backup details, including the types of data that have been stored. If you only want to remove specific types of backup data, such as apps, call history, photos, and videos, tap on the relevant option and disable its backup from this section. However, if you want to completely remove your device backup from Google One, you need to disable the Backup by Google One option. When you turn off this setting, a message will appear informing you that disabling this feature will delete all previously backed up device data. To proceed, tap Turn Off and Delete. This will erase your entire device backup from Google One and prevent any future backups unless you enable the feature again. If you ever wish to reactivate this function, you can simply tap on Turn On. Alternatively, if you do not want to enable it again, select Not Now. Following these steps will ensure that your device backup is successfully removed from Google One.